Hi students, today we are going to learn our new lesson. Lesson 1, our national symbols. What is the importance of national symbols? The national symbols tells us about the values, culture, heritage and tradition of our country. Tradition of every country. All countries have their own national symbols. These national symbols tells us what is the importance of these national symbols used every countries. These national symbols tells us about the values, culture, heritage and traditions of every country. Then in our country, which is our country? Yes, India. India is our country. In our country, there are different types of, or there are lots of national symbols are used. These national symbols tells us what? Tells the values of our country, tells the culture of our country, tells the heritage and tradition of our country. Okay, then which are the national symbols of India? The national symbol, not India, just the national symbols of our country. National flag. First national symbol is national flag. Then national anthem, national song, national bird, then national animal, then national fruit, then national flower, etc. are our national symbols. Then which are our national symbols? First one, national flag, national flag, national anthem, national song, national animal, national bird, national animal, national bird, national tree, then national flower, national river, national fruit, and the national currency symbol. National currency symbol. These are our national symbols. Then our national symbols are national flag, national anthem, national song, national animal, national bird, national tree, national flower, national river, national fruit and the national currency symbol. These are our national symbols. What is the importance of the national symbols? The national symbols of every country tells us the values, culture, heritage and the tradition of every country. Okay. Next, these national symbols represents the unity and the diversity of our country. The national symbols represents the unity and diversity of our country. The national symbol represents the unity and diversity of our country. Okay. Next we learn about our national flag. Our national flag is also our national symbol. These national symbols represents the unity and diversity of our country, and also tells us about the values, culture, heritage and tradition. First we learn our national symbol, national flag. Our national flag is also known as tricolor. Or Tiranga. Our national flag is also known as tricolor or Tiranga. Our national flag is also known as tricolor or Tiranga. Then the national flag symbolizes our freedom and unity. The national flag symbolizes the national freedom and unity. The national flag is also known as tricolor or Tiranga. Then it symbolizes our national freedom and unity. Then our national flag is rectangular in shape. It consists of, the rectangular shape consists of 3 horizontal bands. Okay. Then it consists of 3 horizontal bands of 3 colors. Okay. Then saffron at the top. White in the middle, and green in the bottom. Okay, all of you understood? Once again, our national symbol now is our national flag. National flag is also our national symbol. Then the national symbol is also known as tricolor or Tiranga. Our national flag is also known as tricolor or Tiranga. Okay. Then it symbolizes our national freedom and unity. The national flag symbolizes the national freedom and unity. Then the national flag is a rectangular in shape. It consists of 3 bands. Rectangular bands. It consists of 3 horizontal bands of 3 colors. On the top of the band color is saffron. On the middle it is white, and on the bottom it is green. Then the saffron color is a symbol of sacrifice. Saffron color is the symbol of sacrifice. White color is the symbol of truth. And green color is the symbol of prosperity. Once again, the saffron color is the symbol of sacrifice, and the white color is the symbol of truth and peace. and the green color is the symbol of prosperity. Green color is the symbol of prosperity. Okay, once again about our tricolor. Our tricolor is in horizontal shape. It consists of 3 horizontal bands with 3 colors. On the top saffron, on the middle white, on the bottom green. And the saffron is the symbol of sacrifice, and white is the symbol of truth and peace, and green is the symbol of prosperity. Green is the symbol of prosperity. Then we can see that in the middle horizontal band, there is Ashoka Chakra is present. There is Ashoka Chakra is present on the middle of the national flag, that is tricolor. We can see in the middle of the white band there is the Ashoka Chakra. There is the Ashoka Chakra. Okay, which has 24 spokes. Which has 24 spokes. Then it represents the continuous growth of our country. The 24 spokes represents the continuous growth of our country. Okay, then it is also known as Wheel of Dharma. Ashoka Chakra, and also it is known as Wheel of Dharma or Wheel of Dharma. Wheel of Dharma. Once again about our national symbol, national flag. The national flag is also known as tricolor, and also tricolor or Tiranga. Then it symbolizes our national freedom and unity. Then the national flag is rectangular in shape, and it consists of 3 horizontal bands, and it consists of 3 horizontal bands, and at the bottom of the horizontal band is the saffron, and the middle is the white color, and the bottom is the green color. The saffron indicates the saffron is the symbol of sacrifice, and white is the symbol of peace and truth and peace, and green is the symbol of prosperity. Then we can also see that in the middle portion, the middle band, that is in the white band, we can see Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. These 24 spokes resembles the continuous growth of our country. The 24 spokes resembles the continuous growth of our country. The Ashoka Chakra is also known as Wheel of Dharma. The Ashoka Chakra is also known as the Wheel of Dharma. Okay, all of you understood? Then next we move on to the next national symbol, national anthem. National emblem. National emblem. National emblem. Do you know which is the national emblem of our country? Lion capital of Ashoka. National emblem is lion capital. Lion capital of Ashoka. Lion capital of Ashoka is our national emblem. Which is our national emblem? Lion capital of Ashoka. Lion capital of Ashoka is our national emblem. Lion capital of Ashoka is our national emblem. Then the national emblem consists of 4 Asiatic lions. the national emblem, the lion capital of Ashoka consists of 4 Asiatic lions. Asiatic lions. It consists of 4 Asiatic lions. 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back on a circular base. Standing back to back on a circular base. Once again, about national emblem. This is the national emblem of our country. Lion capital of Ashoka. Lion capital of Ashoka is our national emblem. It consists of 4 Asiatic lions. 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back standing in the round base. Back to back standing in a round base or circular base. Then the Asiatic lions are the symbol of power. The Asiatic lions are the symbol of power, courage, confidence and power, courage, confidence and pride. Once again, the 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back on the circular base. These 4 Asiatic lions represents the power, courage, confidence and pride. It's a symbol of the four Asiatic lions is a symbol of power, courage, confidence and pride. Okay. Then also there are 4 animals at the base of the emblem. Base of the emblem. We can see there are another 4 animals also present on the base of the national emblem. They are elephant, a bull, horse and a lion. Once again, the 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back on the circular base, and also another 4 animals is present on the base of the national emblem. They are elephant, a bull, horse and a lion. Okay, next. Have you heard the word Satyameva Jayate? Have you heard the word Satyameva Jayate? Yes. Then the Satyameva Jayate is also written at the bottom of the national emblem. Satyameva Jayate are written at the bottom of the national emblem. The Satyameva Jayate means truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. The meaning of the word Satyameva Jayate is truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. The word Satyameva Jayate is also written on the bottom of the national emblem. These all about our national emblem. Then the national emblem is we can see the national emblems on our currencies, coins, then government papers, etc. And also it is used in the government seal. It's also used in the official seal of the government of India. You can also see it in the official seal of government of India. Once again about a national emblem. Our national which is our national emblem. Lion capital of Ashoka is our national emblem. There are 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back on a circular base. On a circular base, the 4 Asiatic lions represents the power, courage, confidence and pride of our country. Then also another 4 animals are also present on the bottom of the national emblem. They are elephant, a bull, horse and a lion, and also present on the bottom of the national emblem. And the word Satyameva Jayate is also written on the bottom of the national emblem. The word Satyameva Jayate currency notes, and government papers. We can see like coins, currencies, and government papers. And also the national emblem is used in the official seal of Government of India. Official seal of the Government of India. Okay, next we move on to our national symbol, national anthem. National anthem. National anthem. National anthem. The national, what is our national anthem of our country? Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana. We all know that our national, what is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem of our country. Okay. Who wrote our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote write our national anthem. National anthem Jana Gana Mana. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Okay. Then it should take us 52 seconds to sing the national anthem. For singing our national anthem takes 52 seconds. 52 seconds. For singing our national anthem, it takes 52 seconds. It takes 52 seconds. Then we should stand up in attention whenever the national anthem is played. Whenever the national anthem is played, we should respect our national anthem. So we should stand up. We should stand up in attention whenever the national anthem is played. Whenever the national anthem is played. Okay, all of you understood about our national anthem. Which is our national anthem? Yes, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Who write our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore write our national anthem. It takes 52 seconds to sing. Our national anthem takes 52 seconds for singing. Then we should respect our national anthem. So we should stand up in attention whenever the national anthem being played. Next, national song. National song. National song. Which is our national song? Which is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is our national song. National song of our country. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Which is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Okay, who write the Vande Mataram or our national song? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Or Bankim Chandra Chatterjee or Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay written Vande Mataram. It is our national song. It is our national song. Okay. Then the national song Vande Mataram is written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in his novel Anand the Vande Mataram is used by the freedom fighters and the common people fight against the freedom struggle, fight against the British rule, All of you understood about national song and national anthem. Which is the national anthem of our country? Jana Gana Mana. Who write our national anthem? Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. It takes 52 seconds for singing. And we all respect our national anthem, so we should stand up in attention whenever the national anthem being played. Then which is the national song of our country? Vande Mataram. This is the national song of our country? Vande Mataram. Who write Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay or Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. He is write the Vande Mataram in his novel Vande Anandman. In the novel Anandman. Okay. Then the Vande Mataram song is used by the freedom fighters and common people during the freedom struggle against the British rule. All of you understood? The national song Vande Mataram is used by the freedom fighters and the common people during the freedom struggle against the British rule. Okay, the figure of our national flag, that is tricolor or Tiranga, is given in your textbook. Then it has in rectangular in shape, and also it has 3 horizontal bands. On the top is the saffron, on the middle is the white, and on the bottom is the green color. The saffron indicates what? The saffron indicates the sacrifice, and the white color indicates the truth and peace, and the green color indicates the prosperity. On the middle horizontal band, we can see the Ashoka Chakra or wheel of Dharma, and it symbolizes the unity and the continuous growth of our country. And it has 24 spokes. It symbolizes the continuous growth of our country. Okay, next we learn about our national emblem. This is the national emblem. Lion capital of Ashoka. Here 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back on a circular base. And also another 4 animals is also present on the base of the national emblem. That is an elephant, a bull, a horse and a lion. And also on the bottom of the national emblem, a word Satyameva Jayate is written on the bottom of the national emblem. The word Satyameva Jayate means truth alone triumphs. The national emblem we can see on Indian coins, Indian currency notes and the government papers, and also we can see the official seal of Government of India. Next we learn about national anthem. This is the national anthem of our country, Jana Gana Mana. Who wrote our national anthem? Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. It takes 52 seconds for singing. We should respect our national anthem. So we should stand in attention whenever the national anthem is played. So the figure of Rabindranath Tagore is given in your textbook. Then we learn about national song. This is the national song of our country, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of our country. Who write Vande Mataram? Yes, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay or Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Yes, the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee write the Vande Mataram, the national song of our country. Okay. Then the Vande Mataram or the national song is used by the freedom fighters and also used by the common peoples during the freedom struggle against the British rule. Next we learn about our national animal. Next we learn about our national animal. This is our national animal. National animal. National animal. The national animal of India is tiger. The national animal of India is the tiger. The tiger symbolizes the bravery and struggle. Strength. The tiger symbolizes the bravery and strength. Then the number of tigers in India have become shortened because the tigers are hunting. For protecting the tiger, our national animal tiger, our government produced a project to protect the tiger, that was Project Tiger. Project Tiger. Project Tiger. Our government produced a project for protecting our national animal tiger, that is Project Tiger. That is Project Tiger. Next, we learn about our national bird. Which is our national bird? National bird. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is found every part of our country. Peacock is found every part of our country. This is our national animal, tiger. So by hunting, the number of tiger is reducing in our country. So for protecting the tiger, the national animal in our country, our government produced a project, that is Project Tiger. Then this is the national bird of our country, peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Then national tree. National tree. National tree. This is the national tree, banyan tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of our country. We know that we all see the banyan tree. It has huge structure. The banyan tree is a huge structure and deep roots. The banyan tree, that deep roots and branches represents the or symbolizes the unity of our country. So our national tree is the banyan tree. Our national tree is the banyan tree. Which is the national flower? Which is the national flower? Which is the national flower of our country? Yes, lotus. No, lotus is the national flower. National flower. National flower, lotus. Lotus is the national flower. Lotus is the national flower of our country. Lotus is the national flower of our country. It is grown in the muddy water, but it is very clean and beautiful. Always clean and muddy ponds. It grown up in muddy ponds. So, but it is very clean and beautiful. Which is the national river of our country? Ganga. Ganga is the national river of India. Which is the national river of India? Ganga. Ganga is the national river. Which is the national river of India? Ganga. Which is the longest river in our country? It is the longest river of our country. Then and also Ganga is considered as the holiest river of India. Which is the national river of India? Ganga is the national river of India. It is also considered as the longest river of our country and also considered as the holiest river of our country. Then which is the national fruit of our country? Mango. National fruit, mango. Mango is the national fruit of our country. Mango is the national fruit of our country. Mango is the national fruit of our country. Okay, we know that different varieties of and different names of different breeds of varieties of mangoes are present in our country. So, our national fruit is mango. Then our national flower is lotus. National tree is banyan tree. Our national animal is tiger. For protecting tiger, the project is Project Tiger. And which is the national bird? Peacock. Which is the national river? Ganga. Ganga is the national river of our country. And also Ganga is the longest river of our country. And also it is considered as the holiest river of India. Holiest river of India. Then national currency symbol. 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 Do you know which is the national currency symbol? In your textbook it is given the symbol for national currency symbol. National currency symbol of the national currency symbol of Indian rupee is derived by mixing the Devanagari Ra and the Roman capital R. There are two parallel horizontal stripes at the top of the top that represents the national flag and also the equal to sign. The national currency symbol. Is the national currency symbol. Is the national currency symbol. It represents our national flag. The top lines. The top lines, horizontal stripes, two parallel horizontal lines represents our national flag and also equal to signs It can be seen on our Indian rupee. Indian rupee. Okay. Okay, national currency symbol. These all we learned in this lesson. Okay, what all things we learned in this lesson or we learned in today? Our lesson is over. So once again we revise our portions. We learn about our national symbols. These the importance of national symbols are it tells us the culture, values, heritage and tradition of every country. So first national symbol is national flag. The national flag is also known as Tiranga or tricolor, and it symbolizes the unity. It symbolizes the unity and the national freedom. It consists of three colors. It has a horizontal shape and it consists of it has a rectangular shape and it consists of three horizontal bands. On the top saffron and the middle white and on the bottom is green. The saffron indicates the saffron is the symbol of sacrifice, white is the symbol of truth and peace, and green is the symbol of prosperity. Then we learned in the middle portion on the white band we can see a Ashoka Chakra or Wheel of Dharma. It consists of 24 spokes. These 24 spokes symbolizes the continuous growth of our country. Then we learn about our national emblem. national emblem. What is the national emblem of our country? The lion capital of Ashoka. Lion capital of Ashoka is the national emblem of our country. Then it has 4 Asiatic lions stand back to back on a circular base, and also it represents the power, courage, confidence and pride. Then and also another 4 animals also present on the national emblem. They are elephant, a horse, then a bull and a lion. Then we can see a word Satyameva Jayate is written on the bottom of the national emblem. The meaning of the word Satyameva Jayate is truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. Okay. Then in the national emblem we can see on the Indian rupees, Indian currencies, then government papers, and also we can see the official seal. We can see the national emblem on official seal of the government of India. Then we learn about our national anthem. What is the national anthem of our country? Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of our country. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore write the national anthem of our country. National anthem of our country. So it takes 52 seconds for singing our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. We should respect our national anthem, so we should stand up in attention whenever the national anthem is played. Whenever the national anthem is played. Then we learn about our national song. We learn about national song. This is the national song of our country, Vande Mataram. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay or Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, or these two names are same. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay write our national song Vande Mataram. Our national song Vande Mataram in his novel Anand Mad. Then the Vande Mataram is used by the freedom fighters and the common people during the freedom struggle against the British rule. Okay. Then next we learn about our national animal. Which is the national animal of India? Which is the national animal of India? Tiger. For reducing the number of tiger in India, our government produced a project Tiger, for protecting the tiger, national animal. Then we learn about our national bird. Which is the national bird? Peacock is our national bird. Then which is the national flower? Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. So lotus is grown in muddy pond. So but it is very clean and beautiful. Then which is the national river? Ganga is our national river, and also it is the longest river in our country, and also it is considered as the holiest river of our country. Then which is the national fruit of our country? Mango is the national fruit of our country. Then we learn about national currency symbol. The national currency symbol of the Indian rupee. The national currency symbol of the Indian rupee is derived from the Devanagari and the Roman capital R. It consists of 2 horizontal lines. The 2 horizontal lines indicates our national flag, and also the equal sign. So, in your textbook, an activity is given. All of you do the activity in your textbook. All of you draw a flag, or draw a national flag, or draw a tricolor, and draw and color the national flag of India in the space given below. All of you draw the national flag here and color it, then send it to me. Okay. Then next we discuss our exercise portion. Time to answer. Okay. Take the correct option. The colors in our national flag are saffron, white and yes, green. Next question. The Ashoka How many smalls? 24. The lions in our emblem stand for power, confidence, pride and courage. Then the tigers in India are protected by a program called Project Tiger. Next, fill in the blanks. The dash is the national fruit of India, mango. The dashed color in our national flag is a symbol of sacrifice, saffron. Our national emblem has 4 dash standing back to back on a circular base. Answer is lions, Asiatic lions. Then the Holy River dash is our national river. Which is the national river? Ganga. The currency of India is called rupee. Next, match the column. National anthem is written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. National song is written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. National emblem is lion, capital of Ashoka. National animal is tiger. National bird, peacock. National tree, mango. Next question. Answer the following. Next, another activity is given in your textbook. Complete the details to make your country display card. All of you make the display card and send it to me. If you our lesson is over, then all of you do this activity also. Draw a national flag and color it and send it to me. Okay, our lesson is over. All of you read your text and write the notes neatly and study well.